नमस्ते प्रधानमंत्री जी.
नमस्ते जी।
So my name is Harshit and I am representing the team Brocode. Here we are going to developing the problem statement of ISRO. Our problem statement is enhancing the darker images of the solar panel, solar pole, which is located at the south pole. So we are going to develop this solution by coming the named the Chandvardhani. Chandvardhani is a solution where we can able to enhance the darker images into the higher quality of the image. So it is not only the image quality enhancer, it is also the decision making skill. In the decision making skill, we are going to detect the craters, boulders, and also the real time site selection also, sir. And
आप
now my
कभी
teammates.
ये स्पेस की दुनिया में जो लोग काम करते हैं, क्योंकि अहमदाबाद में आप लोग बैठे हैं, वहाँ तो बहुत बड़ा सेंटर है स्पेस का, कभी वहाँ जाकर के उन लोगों से कोई चर्चा करके इश्यूज क्या है, क्वालिटी रिजल्ट के लिए क्या करना है, कुछ चर्चा की क्या?
I had talked with the mentors and also the scientists among the Hyderabad, but I had not reached the any centers like this because we are far away from the Andhra Pradesh.
अच्छा, क्या
And our
इस
team is
प्रोजेक्ट की
not.
वजह से हम चंद्रमा की जियोलॉजिकल और एनवायरमेंटल कंडीशन को और अधिक बेहतर ढंग से जान पाएंगे क्या?
Yes, sir. Of course, we can able to detect the geological, uncover hidden features of the geological lunar exploration, sir. Example like we can able to detect the frozen bodies of water bodies, and also we can able to detect the craters and boulders. Boulders is nothing but the bigger stones or as the bigger particles around the moon surface, so that we can able to land the rover very smoothly by detecting these boulders and the craters.
अभी आपकी टीम में कितने लोग काम कर रहे हैं?
Che members, 6 members are working in the teammates.
सब अलग अलग जगह से इकट्ठे आए या आप यहीं पर से पढ़ करके निकले हैं?
In the problem statement, we had divided the task to all the members. The 3 members are doing the machine learning models, and the 2 members are doing upon the denoising filters for enhancing those images, sir. And now my teammate Sunil will continue the conversation, sir.
देखिए, आपने बहुत महत्वपूर्ण विषय को चुना। कुछ कह रहे थे आप नौजवान, कोई और माइक ले रहे थे?
Sir, we are from Andhra Pradesh. I don't know Hindi too much.
आंध्र गारू,
Sir. Sorry for the interruption.
हाँ बताइए।
Namaste, Pradhan Mantri ji.
नमस्ते।
I'm Sunil Reddy Sarnala from Andhra Pradesh. We are team Code Bro. We are working on a machine learning model where we can enhance the images from the south pole of the moon. And these images can be enhanced by machine learning model where we are using two architectures. One is darknet and another one is photonet. Darknet is used to remove the shadow of the images, and photonet is used to reduce the noise of the images. While taking the image from the south pole of the image, there will be low light conditions, and also there will be high noise due to the low photons. So we are enhancing that image by using the neural networks, and those neural networks will be having the 1024 neurons each. And Harshit actually mentioned that there is a chance in the best case we can detect the frozen water bodies also. And I am very happy to speak with you, sir. And it was always my dream to talk with you. And you came to Nellore also. I am far in the crowd. I am always seeing and shouting like I am very biggest fan of you, sir. Thank you. Thank you for giving this opportunity, sir.
देखिए साथियों, स्पेस टेक्नोलॉजी में भारत की यात्रा को दुनिया बहुत उम्मीद से देख रही है। आप जैसे यंग ब्रेन्स जब इससे जुड़ते हैं तो उम्मीद और बढ़ जाती है। आप जैसे यूथ इनोवेटर्स को देखकर साफ है कि भारत ग्लोबल स्पेस पावर के तौर पर तेजी से अपनी भूमिका का विस्तार करेगा। मैं आप सभी को अपनी शुभकामनाएं देता हूं।